million views. My name is Siddhi and welcome back in my channel in Knowledge with Fun. So friend, today I'm gonna teach you that what all is Gmail, email, and how can we send it, receive it, and even edit it. So for that, first of all, you need to have Google Chrome in your PC. If you're having mail app also, then also it is perfectly fine. The steps are the same with only some differences. If you want a video on the mail app also, then you should comment down in the comment box. Okay, so now after opening Google Chrome, you can see that there are some thumbnail icons. Can you see that I've made this one? Yeah. So here you can see that there is an option for Gmail also. Okay, so when we click over here, it will open something like this. So it's asking us an account. If you are not having any account, then you can simply create an account. Or if you are already having, can you see this? I'm already logged in with my two already accounts. But I've signed them out, so now I'll be signing it. Having any other account, so you can just click on use another account and then you can just create account, or you can also sign in. There is an option to create account also, and sign in is already it's asking. Okay, so as I've already made my account, I just have to sign in. Okay, so for that it's asking for my password, so let me enter my password. So okay friends, now you can just simply click on the next interface. So these are all my emails which I received, and yeah, I'll be gonna tell you the difference between email and Gmail. So many people get confused about this. What is email and what is Gmail? So yeah, email is actually a way of communication over the internet. We can just send our emails to anyone across the world in no time, and the person can receive it. If he's or she is online, then she can receive it immediately. Alright, it is a very inexpensive mode of sending messages. Now, email is free. Email is a way of communication, and there are many sites which help us, which provide us to send emails. One of them is Yahoo, Gmail, and many others. So Gmail is actually a site who is providing facility of email. Have you got what I meant? So this Gmail is actually a site. We have their Gmail account, and yeah, it is very important that to whom, like if you want to send a message to Ria, your friend name is Ria and you want to send an invitation message to her, then how can you send? So first of all, if you want to send her through Gmail, this Gmail site, then you should have her Gmail account, not her password, just her account ID. Suppose her ID is Ria Sharma @gmail.com. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now after opening this site, after signing into this site, it will open like this. Okay, can you see this? Yes. Now can you see that there is an option of a plus option right here in the top left corner. Okay, so when you click on this particular emoji, this particular sign, it means to compose, and you can send your message to it. So the first step is to click on the plus icon. Right now it is saying 2. Okay, it will display like this and it will say 2, and we have to write the ID where it is asking 2. Suppose I want to send to any Gmail account. Alright, so I have selected a Gmail ID and I have written it. Alright, so now can you see that there is 2 option written over here, CC and BCC. CC is used when you want to send to multiple recipients at the same time. You can just type their ID and then you can send. But if you use CC option, then the person to whom you're sending will be knowing about it, that you have sent this to many people. But if you want that it should be secret, no one should know about the particular person, like you are sending to 5 people, and one of them is not a good friend of the other. So you want that no one should know about her, that I've sent a email to her also. So what about it? You can just type her Gmail ID in this part in the BCC section. Okay, after that you should type the subject. Subject is the most important thing which you should type. Okay, so can you see that there is a subject written right here? Yeah, so here you have to type the subject of the email. Suppose I want to send an invitation card, so I can type that invitation card. Alright, so now there is a whole rectangle box given over here. I think that you guys can see it. Yeah, this one. Here, this is a space where you are allowed to type your email. Okay, so I can type anything, literally anything over here, and I'll show you that how can you attach a document or anything like that. Okay, so can you see that there is a paper clip option presented right here? So can you see that there is a paper clip option over here? So when you click over here, you can select your document. Just simply select anything over here and I can just attach it. Alright, so after attaching there, you can just select your text. Okay, and then you can see that there are many editing options presented over here: bold, italics, underline, color. Okay, so you can choose them. Even you can attach and insert emojis like this, whatever you wanna attach. Okay, there are many emojis right here, and you can also insert your signature. Okay, and you can attach pictures, and you can even attach files using Google Drive. Alright, so now just simply click on send button, and there, if you click over here, there it is actually right now there are only two options. One is send now and other is schedule and send. So you can schedule it like for Indian Standard Time. I'm scheduling it to a particular time that the email should automatically send at that particular time to people. It is mainly used for business meeting and other things. Okay, so I'm gonna simply send now. Okay, so my email message is sent, as you can see right here. Can you see this? Yes. So okay, so now I'll show you that where is my message displayed. So here you can see that there is an option naming sent. So here are all my files which I sent right here. So can you see that the first one is saying, so here is my picture. Alright, okay, now I'll show you an email which a person sent me inbox. Okay, in the inbox, so just like I received this particular thing, so I can just download this file, or I can even reply to it using the reply button, and then I'm gonna send it. So yeah, the reply has sent successfully. Okay, so like this it happens. Okay, you can see that there are some drafts. If you are not sending any email and getting out of it, and you are cutting it, you are minimizing it, so it will be saved as draft. Okay, so mainly when a person sends you an email, it is displayed in this inbox tab, right, located at the left side of the desktop screen. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So this is all for today. In my next video you will be knowing more about emails if you want. So take care, bye, see you.